Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to use Google Sheets offline on your Windows PC. Having offline access to your Google Sheets can be super helpful when you are traveling or in areas with limited internet. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First of all, you have to install Google Chrome. If you haven't installed Chrome, you can download it from the official website. So I'm gonna open the Chrome browser from my desktop. Now you have to visit drive.google.com. Click on Sign In and log in here with the email address of you. And after opening the Google Drive, you will see an icon on the top right corner, 9 dot of Google Apps. Normally click on 9 dots and you will see all of the apps of Google. And here you have to click on the Sheets. And now you will be redirected to sheets.google.com. You can also access this page by normally typing on the address bar sheets.google.com. Alright, and now I'm gonna create a sheet here. And it's gonna be saved. Finally, I'm gonna making it available. Normally click on this 3-dot icon and here select available offline. And now click on turn on. This will start downloading the file for offline use. Once offline mode is enabled, you can access and edit your Google Sheets documents even you don't have an internet connection. Just open Sheets through Google Drive and you can work on your files like usual. When you get back online, any changes you made while offline will automatically sync with your Google Drive. For example, if I turn off the Wi-Fi of mine, and now if you visit drive.google.com again whenever your internet connection is gone, then you have to click on My Drives and here you will get that sheet. Normally click on that and normally you can work with that sheet even in offline. And that's all. I hope this helps you stay productive even without an internet connection. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.